Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Toa air fryer to fry my chicken. So as you can see, I have already bought the chicken and I'm packing it out of the stock. Yeah, so once I successfully do that, I'll transfer it to the air fryer. So as you can see, the air fryer is a mini one from Toa. Yes, it's a mini air fryer. It's a very medium size. So it has some calibrations at the top, and it has this like should I say a little pot and has this thing inside. It's removable, so you can always remove it and fix it how you want, and then you put your chicken on it, right? The thing about this air fryer, as you can see, is that this particular size is so small that it can't take like large portions of food or meat, so you have to do it in bits. I'm just going to put the first round now, and once it's done I can then put in the second one. So you can see it has different calibrations, different degrees and different timing depending on what you are trying to cook, all right, or depending on the product, depending on the food you're trying to cook, different timings it has got on there. For it's different for fish, for meat, for fries, chips and stuff like that. So you need to figure out the one you want to use for the particular food you're cooking. So in my case it's chicken, so I set it to about 180 degrees and the timer to, I think I'm just going to set it to about 25 should be fine. Yeah, and so once that is done I just put it on, and yeah, our chicken is a frying. Yeah, it's wonderful. So I'm just gonna give it some time to air fry, and while I go about doing what I have to do. So this is super interesting. It's amazing. So after it had gone halfway, like 10 minutes, I open it, right, and then try to turn it on its side so that the other side can also be evenly fried. All right. Yeah, and when I'm done turning all of the chicken, I put it back in. I put back the pots in the air fryer to continue frying. All right, this air fryer is super useful. Now I can cook my food, like air fry anything I want to air fry without thinking about it, and I can just basically leave it there where I go about doing carrying on my other activities in the kitchen. Yeah, and after the set time it's done and the air fryer beeped and I opened it and removed the chicken from inside. You can see, oh, this looks so yummy. I feel like eating it all up already. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pack this out and then put the remaining set of chicken in it and try the same thing as well. This is a very good place to subscribe to our channel if you have not done that already. Turn on your notification bell to get notified when next we upload more content, and if you have questions you can drop them in the comment section, as well as comments you also want to add to this video. It will be very useful, and you can send this video to as many as are looking for honest reviews concerning this particular air fryer so that they can see what is obtainable. All right, so for me the greatest thing is it works for my size of family, but if you're going to be using it for industrial purpose, this might not work for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.